Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by today to look at our used 2330. Today we've got a 2021 model. This machine has 1,928 hours on it. It did have a new engine installed at 1,912 hours by the local Deutz dealer, so it has a new engine warranty on it. The other hours were just put on at our shop, running around, testing it, servicing it, and whatnot. It also has a full rack of 2.375 Firestick drill rod. All the wire items have been replaced. Hydraulics have been serviced. It's ready to go to work. I'm going to crank it up, turn on the water pump, run a couple of rods out just to show you that all the functions work. Well, as you can see, I don't run one every day. A little rusty on the controls there, but you can see that everything works. I'm going to show you the hour meter on the machine. You got 1,928 hours. She is ready to go to work. New drill rod.